Hey all, it's Zoe again as a member of the Teams team here at Microsoft. When I worked in retail, I had to carry so many devices, a clunky radio and a point of sales device. It was exhausting. I felt like I needed one of those industrial belts to help my hands free, to do exactly what I needed to do. And we all know an industrial belt doesn't go with every outfit. With Walkie-Talkie and Teams, you can have a push-to-talk experience on your mobile device that instantly connects with you with anyone on your team. Not only can you help customers, but you can also communicate with your entire team on the same device. It's a game changer. Let's see how it works together. First, make sure you have Teams open on your device, and click on the three dots to find the walkie-talkie icon or select on the menu below. Then you'll select a channel at the top left of your screen to choose who you want to connect with. You'll notice some recommended channels based on where your team is already using it, so you can easily jump into relevant conversations. Then simply press Connect. Once connected, you can select the people icon to see who else is available. This is unlike a traditional radio where you can talk and you don't actually know who's listening. Then, when you're ready to talk, simply press and hold the big purple button in the middle of the screen and release when you're done. Or if you have a device like the Zebra TC57X, you can press and hold an external hardkey button to easily access Walkie-Talkie. For example, if I need to check to see if there's another mug in the back room for a customer, I simply press and hold the button in the middle of the screen and talk. Jenny, could you check to see if there's another white mug from the center display in the back for a customer? Thank you. And releasing it when I'm done. And Jenny can see exactly who was speaking to her with my picture showing up on her phone. And that's it. So whether you need help from the back room, to talk to someone in another location, or to let a coworker know to bring out the next curbside pickup order, Walkie-Talkie and Teams turns your mobile device into your very own walkie-talkie, so you can instantly and securely connect with anyone on your team. Try it out in Teams today, or ask your team to join you in testing it out together. And as always, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on all the ways you can use Teams.